how much you can make on YouTube. So you guys can see right here over the past month of me like low-key actually trying. We got about 941,000 views. We gained almost 4,000 subscribers, and so far we're on track for almost $1,000. And yo, what up? As you know, love to do the discussion topics, man. And over the course of the years, we've seen the ups and downs of this channel in terms of just me evolving as a person, right? I've been doing this since, God, I mean, when did I start this channel? So I officially started this sneaker channel June 30th, 2013. So, you know, we're pushing about 10 years just to this channel specifically, right? And I've seen this comment over the course of years, like everyone is like clickbait, oh clickbait. And this doesn't bother me. I'm literally making this video for constructive criticism because I'm like genuinely interested in the feedback because I get it from a lot of you guys. And clearly some of you have been rocking with the channel for years upon years. Now there's always this, oh Mike, you've changed. Bro, I'm almost 30, dog. I'm 29. Of course I've changed, dog. What are you talking about? It's inevitable. If you're still the same person you were when you're 18 and you're 29 or you're 28, there's something wrong. Trust me, you should not be in the same position. But as of late, you guys know what this challenge of uploading Monday through Friday until the end of the year, which we got a couple more videos and then I'm gonna readjust things. It's kind of been like a trial period. The channel's done really well. And I just wanna show you guys this in terms of how much you can make on YouTube. So you guys can see right here over the past month of me like low-key actually trying. We got about 941,000 views. We gained almost 4,000 subscribers. And so far we're on track for almost $6,000. And hopefully the next 2 days, if I can really ramp this up, you know, that could be $7,000, $8,000. You can even make $10,000. So if you want to be a content creator, don't sleep on this. It's not easy. You're going to upload 100 videos and they might only get 10 views, but with a lot of patience and hard work, it can be another good source of income. This has literally been my full-time thing since 2016. I've been a full-time YouTuber, or I should say influencer. But anyway, besides that, the whole point of this video, I'm not doing that for flex purposes. I'm literally doing that for motivation purposes to show you there's a lot of money in this influencer space. Like, don't get it twisted. There's thousands of pounds, thousands of dollars that can be made if you know how to like pivot. But this is what I get, right? Right here, this dude. And this is a common thing. Like, you fell off. Cool. Yeah, I disappeared for a little bit, but definitely did not fall off. Bro says, bro gets such little views now, he got to resort to clickbait. So tough, man, you fell off, right? And here's my question for you guys in the discussion that I love. Please drop a comment. Don't just watch this video and keep it pushing. Like, please, if you've been rocking with me, just drop a comment. And then someone else says, all the sneaker YouTubers are resulting to these measures right now. It breaks my heart. They've been gone for so long doing other stuff and try to come back now. They spot gone to other sneaker YouTubers. This ain't it though. And this is what I'm trying to understand. And you know, one of the most important things about life in general is the best way to maneuver is to not take offense to anything. Because really nothing's personal. At the end of the day, his comment has nothing to do with me. But I do love the constructive criticism. So that's where I'm like, I don't know what's disappointing about this. This video is literally a skit. I've been uploading skits just to see how the skits do individually versus when I add them with videos. So everyone in the comments, I shouldn't say everyone, there's a lot of positive, so much positive, but there is these negative comments that I'm just kind of like really curious about. And maybe you guys might feel this way too, but you just don't comment. So this person says, a lot of your subscribers have seen ups and downs of this channel throughout the years. True. When we start to see no originality, clickbait thumbnails, that's what makes me not care for your content or channel at all. You can rightfully unsubscribe. I don't mind at all. Disregard if what I say, YouTube says otherwise, essentially. It feels like a group project and you're not contributing your part in all of this. I want originality from you, Mike. You're great and I know you can be better than what you're giving us right now. And that's what I find really interesting. What is originality to you guys? What can I do that's better, right? Like, I hear this all the time. And originality. And it's like I've been uploading probably the most genuine content as of late, and all the views have done very well. And the skits, you know, they get like 1,200 views. I have 600,000 subscribers. That's the way the internet works, guys. I have 100,000 on Instagram, and some posts only get 100 likes. Some get 2,000, some get 5,000. The thing about the internet, and there are people who can constantly post and everything pops off. And I've been there before, but the reality is it's like being a musician. Not every single song is gonna be a #1. And as soon as you come to terms with that, you separate your ego and your value in that and just create. That's freedom. And I know I'm throwing a lot at you guys right now, but these are just like things that I think about on the daily as a creator. And I hear like, be original, but it's like, I am original. Who else is doing the skits that I'm doing? You know what I'm saying? If anything, people are copying me, which I don't mind. I think it's super flattering. You know, we can even like look at my most recent video, right? Why Jordans aren't selling out anymore. Go to YouTube. Let's copy that. We got me, original. I started this. Then we got another dude. Same thumbnail, copying me. Then there's me again, when I did this 8 years ago, 1 million views. Then we got another dude, same thumbnail. Skits, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I could care less. I really don't care. That's the game, bro. It's content. So when people say lack of originality, you know, the best way to grow as a creator on any platform is to copy people to an extent, but put your own twist on it, because we all are original in our own sense. Who you are is original. But yeah, I'm literally just throwing this video out here because I'd like to hear what you guys have to say. What more can I contribute to being original? What more do you want to see? Because it's always nice to flip the lens. I only see through one perspective, so I'd love to hear from like a viewer, consumer perspective, what you guys think. But 2024 is going to be an amazing year, guys. I feel like I'm fully committed back to YouTube, and I got so many other dope things going on, and you know, I'm just going to keep creating and hopefully be able to continue sustaining a happy life for myself and my wife, and you know, maybe starting a family. But I'll always do YouTube, man. I wanted to be a YouTuber since I was 9 years old, and whether you have high highs or low lows, like day in, day out, I get to wake up and turn the camera on and just talk to you guys and share my experience of life, and I think it's really dope. But yeah, that's my discussion today. Hope you guys had a happy holidays. I know I threw a lot at you. Just leave me a comment, man. Love the feedback. This is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you on the next one. Run it.